take a look at another example. So what we have here is a team of football players were told by their coach that they needed to lose weight for their positions. They all participated in an exercise program. A sample of 4 of them were randomly selected and weighed before and after the program. At alpha equals 0.05 has the exercise program decreased their weights. So here we have our null hypothesis. We immediately should see that because we're working with before and after with the same people, this only is going to appear with matched paired samples in which we do hypothesis testing on the mean of the differences. So here we're wondering, is there any difference? Is there any decrease? So here we're just wondering if there is no difference, the mean is going to be 0. But we're wondering, is the difference less than 0? Have they lost weight? Now, if you're wondering if they lost more than 10 pounds, then that would be mu sub d equals 10 as the null hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis would be mu sub d is less than 10. So what we notice here is that we have matched / paired samples, and we have a one-tail test. So this immediately tells us that we're going to use a t-test. So turn on your calculator, go over to stat, over to tests, down to t-test. We're going to enter in our data again, but that means we have to go back to the stat option and edit our data. So here I'm going to go up to L1 and press clear, and then press enter. Everything goes away. And now I, again, subtract my number. So I do 115 minus 120. I do 280 minus 325. I do 225 minus 240. Minus 240. And then I have 150 minus 195. So now when I go over to stat, go back over to test, go down to t-test, I choose data. We have the null hypothesis is still with 0. Now we're wondering, are we less than 0? We calculate this. And what I get is I get a test statistic that is going to be t is equal to negative 2.67 and a p-value that is equal to 0.0379. So now we see that since the p-value, which is 0.0379, is less than 0.05, which is equal to alpha, we reject the null hypothesis. We believe the exercise program decreased their weights. So indeed, that is the conclusion that we can make. We have enough evidence to statistically believe that they lost weight because of this exercise program.